GM, engine off, natural vacuum. Here's our EONV designation. Now we've talked about Ford, and here's GM and other manufacturers are going to use natural vacuum. Their test descriptions may not be as clear as Ford, but we'll go over some of them to show them to you. The data can still be used even if it's not clear like Ford's because we understand what we're trying to do. So here's GM's Mode 6 data. First one, test ID 20. Natural vacuum 20,000 leak test. Pretty straightforward. It gives us a straight answer for that. And then it gives us to us in kPa and inches of H2O. Engine off, vacuum re-zero test. We know what the re-zero test is. That's we're going to phase 2 in Ford. We're going to re-zero it after it's tried to reach a peak. Couldn't reach it, going to lower it back down. Vent valve stuck closed. That says, hey, we've run a test and we found that we're building pressure when we should not be. They open the vent, they open the canister purge, and pressure increases. So the vent stuck closed. It's not opening. This is a severe restriction. Fuel level rationality test. Does it make sense that this reading looks like what it should be reading? Is it rational? Vacuum rationality test. Again, it's looking at the situation where does this vacuum reading, pressure sensor reading, look rational? Canister purge valve stuck open. Remember, phase 0, we looked, closed up the vent, and we checked to see if we're going to get vacuum developed because we had a stuck open purge solenoid when we closed the vent. So all of these, we now, by knowing that, can understand them. Not always going to be the case. Here's his check fuel pressure turn signal, unstable after engine off. That one's reasonable. We can understand that. Check the system by monitoring fuel tank pressure signal if the engine is off. Comparison to atmosphere. Normal judgment failure. We don't know what they found. So again, here's a test description that's not as clear as Ford. So hopefully you can understand why we used Ford. But even this, we know when we're looking at different codes that we can understand what's in Mode 6 if we take a little time, even though it may not be as clear. And even though some scan tools are going to show us one specific reading at a time.